Hey everybody, welcome back to Price is King. Today we're diving into this Orcl stock. ORCL is the ticker symbol, and we're breaking down the charts for all you investors out there, as well as we're going to take a look at all the latest developments, especially with all the Oracle's exciting partnerships in the AI space, and how they might push the stock even further. So if you're thinking about getting into Orcl, or if you already hold some shares, stick around because this is going to be a packed episode. Let's jump right in. First of all, let's talk about Oracle's chart. Okay, over the past year, as you know, and you may have already been tracking this, ORCL, that's the symbol. It's been on a solid growth. It's been on this pretty much tear, fueled by strong earning reports and strategic moves in the tech sector, right? The last few weeks, as you can see right here, the stock has been consolidating all-time high, near the all-time high right there. Okay, now what do we look at from here, from this perspective? If you take a look, right, because it's at the all-time high and we got interest rate coming up, being cut, there's going to be some volatility for sure. And that volatility is going to give you an opportunity to look for an entry to get in on a long. And the reason why I say look for a long, because this stock is going to continue to go up. Okay, there's going to be some pullbacks for sure, no matter what, right? There's going to be opportunities for people that have been in it for a long time to take some profit, and when they do, the stock is going to definitely dip down. And when that happens, you're looking at somewhere around the 150 range is where they're going to be targeting. Okay, and so that's where you want to enter for a long. Okay, if it drops below, and this is going to be the new support, right, is right around 153, right? 150, 153 is a number that, because that's the ultimate, you saw that pop right here, so this becomes the new support. Okay, and so that's where it's going to consolidate in the next leg down. Right, so keep that in mind when you're looking at it. One of the other things that I look at is I look at the 50 and the 200-day moving average. Right, when you look at that, you see right here the 50 and the 200-day. The 50 is above the 200, so that means there's going to be continuing ride wave up. All right, it's not going to stop. We've already seen this. There's no death crossover happening anytime soon, and so when you see those dip downs, that's when you want to go get in, right? The key takeaway here is the current price action. It's well supported by the strong fundamentals, and let's get into the AI partnerships. One of the other things I want to talk about is the RAM indicator. I've put that RAM indicator on the chart just now, and you can see where it's been, right? Every time it crosses above the RAM, there's an upward leg. Once it's down, there's a downward trend, but then it creeps back up as soon as it's above the RAM. It's slowly creeping up, and continues to go up. This one right here, leg down, there was a downward trend. As soon as it crossed again, it's going upwards, right? So you want to keep an eye on this RAM indicator. Again, right now, we've way crossed above the RAM, right? Think of it as like the VWAP, right? When you see the VWAP happening, and it's far away from price action, right? It's going to gravitate towards the RAM indicator again, okay? And so there's going to be a leg downwards for you to get in, all right? So now let's talk about why Oracl is so interesting right now, and that their role in the booming AI space, right? AI is shaping up to be a defining tech of this decade, right? And Oracle's partnership is pretty much positioned as a major player, right? First of all, Oracl recently partnered with NVIDIA, one of the leaders in AI hardware, and they're offering accelerated computing for AI and machine learning workloads, right? That's been on the books for a long time. Their collaboration is helping Oracl integrate NVIDIA's GPU into their cloud infrastructure, right? The Oracl cloud infrastructure that they're always focusing on right now. It's making businesses a lot easier to develop and deploy their AI solutions. This is a huge win for Oracl. As the demand for AI infrastructure grows, Oracl's demand is going to grow as well. So keep that in mind. On top of that, Oracl has been strengthening its cloud infrastructure partnership with companies like Microsoft, AWS, Amazon, right? They're using this multi-cloud environment that gives customers the ability to have more options for their products and services, right? It offers them to utilize Oracle's database services along with Microsoft's Azure services, and opens the door to their AWS platform as well on the Amazon side. Right? So looking ahead, Oracl is not stopping with anything that they've already built. They're continuing to grow and take advantage of this bull ride with AI. There's rumors out there that are swirling around with more collaborations in the pipeline with other cloud platforms. I'm sure Google's on the front for it. You've heard Palantir being in the limelight with Oracl. There's other industries that they're expanding their relationships with, especially in the healthcare and finance environment. This requires massive amounts of AI-driven analytics, with Google's and Amazon's and Azure's already in the forefront. Oracle's partnership with these bigger cloud giants makes it all worthwhile for Oracle to partnership with them, and that's just going to drive the stock further upwards, right? It's going to take their cloud business to new heights and push the Orcl stock even higher. The more Oracle embeds itself into the AI ecosystem, the more it will benefit from its multi-billion industry, and that's something that you want to keep an eye on, right? And the short term, right? If you're a short-term day trader, right? If you're looking at short time frames, let's look at 15-minute time frames, right, on a daily chart, and compared to a 15-minute chart, you'll see that there's always a big leg push up, and then it slowly comes down, a leg up, slowly comes down, a leg up, comes down, leg up, and then there's downward pressure, and then boom, right? So you're going to see these happen, and if you're a day trader, Oracle stock is going to be a great instrument for the next few months for you to trade and make money off of. All right, now take a look at, that's just a 15-minute. If you're looking at hourly charts, look at the hourly charts. It continues to just steamroll up, right? Now on the upside, right, like you have the 174 as a market for where the peak is, right? So there's going to be some resistance, of course, right? But if that resistance breaks, and it will break, right, quarter after quarter until the next few months, maybe even the next year, it's going to continue to break. I think this is a $200 stock easily, if not $250 is going to be the stock market target price for this particular stock. And if you get in at the right price, you will have some success with this. Remember, this is my opinion, and this is what you're seeing right now on the charts based on my analysis. Make sure if you're looking for financial advice, make sure you talk to your financial advisor before making any purchases, any recommendations or anything like that you see are my opinions or for educational purposes only. If you like this video, make sure you like and comment and subscribe to this video as well as this channel. Thank you for watching.